everybody, I'm Kiwi McGuire, your Norwex independent consultant. Do you have the Norwex mop yet? Whether it's on your wish list, whether it's on its way to you, or you have it and love it, here are some tips and tricks on how to use the mop, the different options, and why it is a game changer for cleaning your home safer, easier, without harmful chemicals. And guess what? It has a 5-year warranty on the pole and the base, 2-year warranty on all the pads. Trust me, this is a game changer. Let's check it out. We have 3 different sizes available. We have the mini, the large, that's the one that I use the most throughout my home, and we have the extra large. All 3 mops are going to work exactly the same. They come with all the same pieces. We have the telescopic mop pole, we have the base, you get the wet mop pad and the dry mop pad. No matter what size, no matter what color, they all function the same. It's all about what works best in your home. All right, we're gonna go over the dry mop pad first. This is what you're gonna use first to clean your floors. First of all, it is attached with Velcro, so it easily comes on and off. It's also sized larger than the base. This is so you can do things like the baseboards at the same time. It is a game changer for cleaning your floors. Once you use this bad boy, you're gonna get why I am obsessed with it, because a little known secret or unknown secret, I hate to clean. And so anything that makes things easier and faster for me, so I really don't have any excuses, is a win in my book. The first thing you wanna do with this is create a static charge. You can do this by rubbing your hand up and down, grabbing the rubber brush. The rubber brush is crucial because it enables you to clean it in between washes, and it creates that static charge. So because this is a plush microfiber, that charge is going to grab all the debris. It is going to pick up the hair, the pet fur, the dirt, all the microscopic bits and bittles all over your floors. Put it on the ground like this, step on it, and now I can adjust it. Notice this mop base goes from people who are small, that means your kids can help out, or someone who's quite tall. I'm going to adjust it between my chin and my nose. That is going to ensure that I have the perfect ergonomic position and I'm not having to bend over. It's very comfortable to use and very lightweight pressure. Let's check it out. I'm going to show you how I clean and what we're going to pick up even on a floor that was mopped just a few days ago, because things get dragged into the house. I have teenagers, young kids, I have a dog, I have a husband. All of these things bring a lot of debris into the home. You're going to want to use a figure-8 motion. This way, any type of crumbs and larger debris pieces are going to be pushed into the center. And you're going to mop around the house and bring yourself to the trash can where you can pick up anything extra that didn't attach to the mop pad itself, get right into the trash. All right, let's go. So using the swivel head in a figure-8 motion, I can go all around my floors and easily pick everything up. And let's check it out and see what we've got. Oh my goodness, you guys can see this has picked up all of the hair, all of the bits and bittles. Everything is static charged to the mop pad. Now that I've done that, we're gonna take this to the trash, use the rubber brush to show you how easy it is to clean off in between washes. Now that you've dry mopped your floors, we wanna clean off your mop pad so you can continue to use it or store it away for the next time. So in between, you're gonna wanna use your rubber brush. This is going to, see how it's designed? It's designed for this, and look at how much it picks up. So it easily grabs everything off the pad. I can just swipe it down into the trash. You're good to go. A few notes about cleaning your dry mop pad. When it's heavily soiled, you can throw it into the washer and dryer. Super, super easy. Most of the time, I just use the rubber brush, I get all the debris off of it, and I'm good to go again because I've given it that static charge. I love how simple it is. Now we're gonna talk about how to wet mop pad. Let's check it out. Now that you have dry mopped your floors, you've picked everything up from the surface, you've eliminated the need for a broom, for the little robots. Those things are super convenient, but they also just kick stuff into the air. The wet robots are adding a harmful chemical that leaves a residue that can be toxic to your pets. They sit there and lick their paws. We need to be smarter about how we're cleaning our home, and that's why I want to show you this super simple solution. This is our wet mop pad. This has a blue backing. It also has words on it that say wet. You're only adding water to this. The dry mop pad says is a yellow sunny color. Think yellow sunny dry. That makes it very easy. You and your family will know which pad goes to what. Now this pad is like an EnviroCloth for your floor. As you may know, our EnviroCloth removes up to 99% of bacteria from the surface with proper use and care. This does the same. You are gonna get this mop thoroughly wet, and then you're gonna squeeze out all the excess water. Take this wet mop pad, drop it on the ground. I will position the base again. I offset this because then right here, I can clean those baseboards. First, when you dry mop, you do that figure 8 so that things can push into the center. You can do this one any which way you want. I like doing a side-by-side motion. That's super easy. Just through this area. And notice how I can just easily do this. I can also get the baseboards at the same time, get underneath those tricky areas that often get neglected. Right here is done. No buckets, no chemicals, and I have removed 99% of bacteria from the surface. Now, you wanna know my favorite part? This floor dries super fast. There's no chemicals on there. That also means it's not gonna be sticky. That means things aren't going to stick to it and make it dirtier, quicker, fast and easy. Love it. There are 2 more of my favorite hacks for this mop system, besides the fact that you're cleaning all of your floor surface with just microfiber and water, because that's number 1. Number 2 are features on this mop. We have the telescopic handle. We have this rubber tip. This is by design. Whether you get scuffs on your floors, you can just go like this. It's like a magic eraser for your floors. Maybe you're a busy parent like I am, busy life, and the dogs come running in, or the kids or grandkids. You are in the middle of mopping. First of all, you don't have to worry, no chemicals on your floor, but check this feature out right here. I can grab the mop that has the wet mop pad, and I can simply hang it. That way, you're not having your mop pad sitting on the floor wet. It's out of the way. I did this on my back door. You can do this on your counter. You can do it on any ledge that you have, and it's gonna hang the mop easily. That way, once the chaos is done, you can grab that mop and you can keep on going. Another hack and tip for your mop system, it is extremely versatile. You have the pole that you can use with other things. So you're gonna simply unclip the base, and then you can clip on things like our EnviroWand. We have the large and the mini. This EnviroWand is gonna enable you to reach up super high. Check it out. Once I have it attached, I can simply bend it, extend the pole, and reach super high up. So easy. Now this wand has picked up all the dust, all the debris from the top of those really high areas, and I didn't have to get out a ladder, a stool that can be dangerous. So this, super easy to clip on and off. We have a variety of different attachments, tub and tile, the grout brush, we have the outdoor broom, all of these attached to your telescopic mop pole. Absolutely amazing, super simple, doesn't take up a lot of storage space. I don't know about you, but I am always in the need for more storage space. Anything that is compact and efficient in a multi-tool is a win-win for me. I think you can see why this mop system is a game changer and why you want it. So versatile. There's so many different places you can use it. I didn't even go over things like you can use it to clean your car, your minivan, your truck, your windows outside of your house, your pool. So many features. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment below, send me a message, say, Kiwi, help me figure out what size is best. Also, if you love Norwex products or you're like, this is a mission I can get behind, helping people remove harmful chemicals from their home and to clean smarter, to be better to the environment, consider joining my team. I would love to help you grow a business or take advantage of our amazing discounts. Send me a message. Thanks so much. Bye.